In this video, I will show you how to add a custom Liquid section in Shopify. First, open the Shopify website and create your account. Once your account is ready, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on Online Store. Next, click on the three dots icon and select Edit Code. Inside the code editor, go to the Layout folder and open the theme.liquid file. Now, carefully remove the required part of the code and paste the new code from your document. After that, go back to your store and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor. Here, click on Add Section, search for Custom Liquid, and select it. Now simply copy your Liquid code and paste it into this section. Once done, click on the Save button at the top, and your custom Liquid section will be successfully added. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.